flew out on you. That's grand. Now, what's this bone all about?
Well, now this bone, this is where this bone I have to go a half to that side and a half to that side for to make up your see.
Half the bone goes to one side
and
half goes to the other.
To the other side.
Why?
Yeah. See, I just.
But why?
Well, that's for to make up the side of your ridge, because we say you're setting potatoes there now. You're doing 3 like.
Would you do 3 on a narrow ridge like that?
Oh, you would, yeah, 3.
Would you?
Oh, yeah.
In what pattern?
Well, you'd put, I suppose I shouldn't. You'd put one skid on there, like, well, if you didn't have the bone.
Oh, right. You wouldn't actually have, yeah.
It'd drop out, like.
But you cut the bone before you plant the potatoes, before you put in the scallones,
Oh, before you plant the potatoes, yeah. Right. Oh, yes, you cut the bone there. See, that's 1/2 now, right?
Yeah.
If
I had chosen a better place, the sod would have cut a lot sharper and neater.
Yes.
But of course, I in my wisdom chose a spot that had huge nettle roots, stones, and one thing another.
No, it wasn't that.
But
very good,
the old people, Michael, had to work with whatever whatever was there as well, you know. So
did, yeah.
we could do this perfect, but it's almost. I see exactly what the bone is all about, and this is the first time I've understood what the bone is about. It rounds out and seals the bottom of the turn. If you can manage to cut it really neat and turn it neat, you'd have no weeds growing out.
No, you'd have no weeds.
I'll show off it a little bit now, Michael, and I'll use my cut.
Yeah,
I'm allowed to do that.
Ah. Yeah,
Right, now we probably come to the human part of this documentary or whatever. I'm going to have a go at making a ridge. Now I have the tool. The main tool, of course, is the spade that Michael has put together, and the other main tool I probably don't have, and that's experience. So with under Michael's tutelage, I'm going to start off to turn the sods the same way as Michael was doing them. So first off, I think I have to cut into the ground, like so, and then I think you went in the middle, Michael.
You go back, Jim.
What?
You haven't any bone.
Oh!
We'll leave the bone.
I'm afraid I've forgotten completely about the bone. Right? After the first ridge, you have to consider the bone. You have to leave. Is that right, Mike? You have to leave the bone about what, 6 to 8 inches? Is it?
Well, about
4 to 6 inches. I have to leave that, so I have to cut or mark it. But this, I'm making a lot harder work out of this now than Michael. Michael seemed to do this an awful lot easier. And if I remember rightly, Michael, you did 3 major cuts. 1, 2, and then one in the middle. And then you started to...
Don't go too deep now.
Oh, you started to rise on that, yeah?
Lift forward now, your spade, lift forward.
But then I think you went to the outside.
I did have to,
to get, oh yeah, and I can't go too deep. You see that?
No, don't go too deep,
And then I tried to turn it.
Now turn over.
It's not, do you know that they call this, the archaeologists call these lazy beds?
Oh yes, I
was actually I was digging or marking out or digging too deep. In other words, taking more than I could chew, and doing more. Well, I was basically doing more actions and then I was leaving myself with a big bloody piece to turn off.
Good as a plough, that is.
But anyway, but listen, I've only turned one sod and I'm out of breath. You see, I'm missing something. Michael dug a ridge in half, and he's older than I am. He smokes, and he's not out of breath. So in fact, Michael, you're actually demonstrating already the whole secret behind this, and that's economy of effort. You know, making these things with the least amount of effort. Now, so So I'm going to try and do this a little bit better this time. I'll leave the bone, Michael. Yeah.
Leave the bone, yes. Yeah,
I'll
yes,
do-
That's right, yeah.
I'll do 1, 2, 3 cuts.
That's
Yeah.
plenty, yeah.
Then another cut there,
Take it short.
and then a space out, a second cut,
You're a bit far out.
and then finally the third cut. And not to go in too deep. Yeah.
No, you're,
I'm gone too deep.
no, but you have to be nearer here.
Oh yeah, but I loosen that first. Yeah. And then
Deep will be fine.
I go in from the outside again.
Yeah.
See the way I have to think of all this. Michael was doing this a second nature. Now the just the Pharaoh lifting, isn't it?
Oh, that's it. Very good.
I'm going to go smaller now this time.
Yeah, take them
One.
short, as I said, yeah, and it'll be
And on
easier.
the outside.
Yeah.
And then the one in the middle.
The one in the middle, yeah.
And go in shallower, Michael, yeah?
Yeah, one shallow.
I was taking too.
and then
too
push,
much.
Push your spade
Loosen.
forward first, yeah.
Yeah?
That's right. You get
In at the outside.
Yeah.
Undercut it. And then hopefully she'll turn.
See now.
Oh, easier.
That's it, yes. Isn't it?
I didn't take as much. But isn't the soil kind of nice today now after the rain and
Very,
everything?
very nice, yeah.
It's like chocolate.
Yeah, it is brown side.
Nice
That's the
brown
good
chocolate.
Brown side, yeah. Oh God, it is, yeah, lovely side. And then it's dry.
So,
after the
no,
rain.
I've only one more cut to go. I hope everyone appreciates now that there's been no actually cuts in the filming. I'm actually sticking it out. 1, 2, 3. 1. A do. There's a 3.
3.
Undercut it. A little bit. Oh God, it'll turn.
Now that
1, 2. Ah!
that easier.
That's a bit
The last
easier now.
one. Yeah, I see
I was taking off.
a bit of a practice.
No. Without a break, I'm going to try the bit of the bone.
What do you?
Now, what was it? A split
Mass.
3, is it?
Yeah, 3 would be long enough to near.
And in fairly deep, Michael, yeah?
Yeah, well, about the same.
But this is now. If your spade was a bit shinier,
Yeah,
oh, I'll have to cut it again.
that happens.
See, because I haven't cut that properly
That
the
happens.
first time, I have to repeat, and then to turn that in against the bottom of the furrow. And this, thank God, is the last
Thank
bit
God for the-
I have to do today, I think.
All right. Get,
Ah,
see, that's turning to the left side,
I'm destroying your work, Mike.
which is hard. No,
And we're going to try something different this time. We're actually going to try and work together. Michael looks very dubious about that.
Can't do afraid.
But was it common, Michael, for 2 people?
What was it?
It was common, right?
Double turn. Yeah.
Double turning, right? So Michael, I suppose, would be the lead man. They always said the more experienced man took the outside, wasn't it?
Yeah, took the straight.
And the younger guy with maybe the stronger back, which is not me, but anyway, I'm tiny bit younger than Michael.
Put the man inside.
Had more of a lift.
That on the straight thing. No, he did the straight thing. Because he kept it straight.
He kept the man on the inside.
Yes, but he,
But it was the man on the outside cut it.
but he kept one boot, one shoe against that side all the way along.
Oh, right.
That's what he was doing.
Now, we're going to give this a go now, but Michael is the lead man, and he has to tell me what to do. What do I do?
You just mark there now, and you put your spade on there. Then like, give it. No, you put your spade on.
I mark it there,
Yeah,
and I go in there,
yeah.
and then
Go straight in.
study.
We'll use no spades. What'll happen then?
That's an awful route there, Michael. Hang on.
All right.
No, it's an awful route, is it?
Can we go over? This is something.
We had an awful route there. No, that wasn't our fault or my fault entirely.
See?
Nettles, is it? And I should be.
Yeah, you would have to have it national.
I should make 2 marks and go in once, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, Michael, we did that. We did that well. Oh,
All right.
my God, Michael. That's not too bad now at all.
Only when
And I go 1, 2,
give your spade a tip forward and up when you're this way.
in the. Ah!
Now over.
beaten once, twice.
That's right.
Oops, a big
Got
stone.
it on
Hang
now.
on, no, we have a big stone here, mate.
Oh, I'll wait. That's a shit.
Big stone.
Oh, grand.
Like once, twice, and in.
Grand.
I have a stone again. Jesus, you know, Michael.
One side round.
One, twice.
Grand. No, before the evening you'll be able to do it yourself now.
Do you know what,
That's not
Mike?
bad. Huh?
That doesn't look too bad.
Oh no.
What?
No, that's what I go. Huh?
No.
I thought it-
I never saw it done before, Michael. Wasn't it, Mike, that they'd be working in competition?
Yeah, competition, yeah.
Yeah?
But they'd have to leave the fella coming down, then whatever way they said, he'd have to leave, you know. And you'd be coming up for your closing, like, and
Yeah.
he'd have to leave a bone, and he'd have to come down here,
Sure.
and the other two coming up here, he'd have to leave, and now for those two for to close again, so I don't have that because I never seen only two together.
Only
turning
two,
around.
yeah.
But before my time, there'd be four turning on 6.
It was, yeah.
It was really the way they'd go, they said.
They'd be working
oh,
fast,
oh,
efficiently,
yeah, oh,
you know?
yeah.
There'd be no breaks for
Oh, no.
a couple of hours or whatever, you know?
No, over with it.
Yeah.
So now we'll. Oh, yeah, man, have it on. Okay.
You were good.
You know, then switching.
You're grand.
With the tipper.
Right, Michael is doing a little job on the ridges, breaking up the soil. He reckons the traditional name for this is hacking. He's using a very, very old implement, a mattock, and I suppose the idea is just to tidy up the top of the ridges, ready for planting the potatoes.